In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the binoculars in ARC Raiders. First, we're going to get comfortable with the basics in a low-pressure environment. Head to the practice range and give the binoculars a try there. This is the safest place to learn how they feel, how fast they switch, and how the zoom behaves without enemies distracting you. Take a moment to scan different targets at various distances so you can see how the tool responds. Next, make sure the binoculars are easy to reach during real encounters. In your loadout, place them in your quick use slot so they're always just a moment away. This prevents those clumsy inventory checks mid-fight and keeps your focus on the battlefield. Keeping the binoculars in quick use is a small setup choice that pays off when you need fast intel. When you're ready in-game, press Q to open the quick use wheel, then select the binoculars. If your key bindings are different, use the button you've assigned for the quick use wheel. You'll see the binoculars icon, confirm it, and you're good to go. With the binoculars equipped, hold the right mouse button to zoom in. This is your core viewing action. While you're holding right-click, use the left mouse button to toggle through the zoom levels. Each tap of left-click steps you through stronger magnification, letting you pick the exact level you need for the situation. Release right-click to return to normal view. If the movement feels a bit sensitive when fully zoomed, slow your mouse inputs and make small corrections. Fine control makes a big difference at higher magnifications. While you're zoomed in, look for the distance readout on your screen. This number shows how far you are from whatever you're pointing at. It's incredibly useful for estimating bullet drop, evaluating whether your weapon is in an effective range, and planning your approach. For example, if your target is far out, note the distance, pick an appropriate zoom level, and adjust your aim or route accordingly. When scouting, that distance helps you gauge how long it might take to close the gap, or whether you should reposition before engaging. That's really all there is to it. Practice in the range, assign the binoculars to quick use, open the quick use wheel with Q, equip them, hold right-click to zoom, and tap left-click to toggle the zoom strength. Keep an eye on the distance indicator and use it to make smarter, more confident decisions. With a little practice, your recon will be faster, cleaner, and far more effective.